I just changed the front parking sensor in my 4 Series BMW. This is how you do it. I saw all these videos and people are saying, oh, take off all this stuff, take off the big metal bar here, take off about 60, no need, don't do any of that. It's super simple. So I'm going to change this one right here, the front. You can see there's a little stone chip on it. So just take out the grills, like so. It's super easy to get them out. See these clips? You just literally push down, get your hand in behind, push down the top of those clips here, 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 all the way along. And the grill pops out. And then you can get your hand in this way, do the exact same thing on the other side, so you have the two of them out. You can get your hand in this way, and then you lift this up and there's a little black flap in behind, and then you can get your hand in and wiggle it in and you can get at the sensor. Now the sensor is held in, there's a little clip on the top and a little clip on the bottom. Let me show you on this one. So literally the sensor sits inside inside the bumper like this. There's a little clip holding the top piece and a little clip holding the bottom piece. So you're essentially doing this, getting your fingers in behind the sensor, lifting up the clip here, lifting up the clip here, and then the sensor, you can put your finger on the front of it and push it backwards and the sensor will pop back out. So then you're putting your hand, your fingers basically doing this to open the flaps. So open the top one, open the bottom one, give it a bit of a wiggle, and then it should kind of come free. And then be able to drop it down underneath there. You can see there now. And then I'll disconnect the electrical connector, get the new one in, and we should be good to go. So you're putting your flathead in under to lift up because there's a little notch on the sensor. And once it's lifted, the sensor should pull off. There we go. So you're like lifting the connector basically up above this little lip here. And then, yeah, you can see there was a little stone chip basically, which shut down the whole parking system. So we're back up into the bumper. And making sure that you have the sensor this way so that you catch these little clips on the top. And then if you push, there's a little like water seal. If you push, it should clip. Should hear a click. Oh, lovely. And that's it. We're in. Beautiful. And then literally push the grills back in and they'll just pop in along those clips. And yeah, I'll show you there how easy it is to pop one of these back in. That's it. Amazing. Look at that. Super easy. Anything, just in through the grills. Job done.